सांगला की बाबा आमी अंडरस्टूड जाल्या सुदिनान पर्सनली सांगला आमी अंडरस्टूड जाल्या की तो रोड होरें तेवदान आहा आनी दे आर गोईंग टू रिअलायनमेंट तेवदानूच करून कोत्तात म्हूण पारोडाच्यान टू केपेंच्यान एवॉयड करून सारकें शिरवय तिला मळा वयल्यान भायर काडूंक सोदतात.
And we have decided first to survey wherever possible things for these state highways. The Town and Country Planning Department has notified somewhere in 1977-78, and that is the reason it is their bound duty to write to PWD for the survey and also to relocate this state highway. And if possible, in next 1 to 2 months, we will try to complete the survey, and then only we decide on this particular state highway.
So today after the visit, it appears that he is aware what the issues are, and by and large he is in agreement with the demands of the people of Chandor that the state highway should be realigned. But the principle remains that realignment cannot happen without an alternate alignment being proposed. As of now, the villagers also are quite in the same position as we were earlier. They are suggesting a route which has somehow not been put on paper. So for which it is clear that a survey will be required to be commissioned, which I felt that it is better for the PWD itself to do and for the villagers to cooperating. Survey will go through private properties, create some apprehensions,